At Dermamina, we specialize in anti-aging injectables designed to restore your youthful appearance with subtle and natural results. Our treatments focus on minimizing facial expression lines, such as lines around the eyes known as crow's feet, forehead and frown lines, using anti-wrinkle treatment to smooth fine lines and soften deep creases. We can also create a natural lift, like a lip flip, or to reduce the nasal flare. Additionally, we can target the masseters to alleviate teeth grinding and slim down a wide-set jaw. The goal is to rejuvenate and enhance your natural features, ensuring you look refreshed and rested without compromising your unique expression. Every face is different, and so is every treatment. We take the time to understand your concerns and goals before recommending a tailored plan to address your specific needs. Whether you're looking to restore lost volume or prevent deeper signs of aging, our approach is always conservative and personalized to ensure your results are natural and never overdone. Our non-surgical treatments are quick, minimally invasive, and involve little to no downtime, meaning you can get back to your daily routine almost immediately. While you won't see instant results, you can expect to notice smoother skin and a more refreshed appearance, as the treatment gradually takes effect over the next days following your session, and it takes its full effect after 2 weeks post-treatment. At Dermamina, we believe in aging gracefully, naturally, and confidently. If you're ready to rejuvenate your look while preserving your natural beauty, book a consultation with us today.